Hi guys, in this video I will show you how do I cash out on Sweatcoin. For that you just have to launch your Sweatcoin mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, on the home page you are going to see the steps that you have run, and in the top right hand corner you are going to see the balance of Sweatcoin that you have. Now over here, if you want to cash out on Sweatcoin in real money in your bank account or PayPal, then let me tell you that as of right now there is no such option available on Sweatcoin. If you want to cash out your Sweatcoins, then you can only purchase some offers from it. For that you will have to tap on this back button in the bottom, and once you do this you will be redirected on this shop page where you are going to see a bunch of different deals and offers on which you can spend your Sweatcoin balance. For example, you can get 1 month free Hulu subscription if you spend your Sweatcoin on top of it. So let's say you want to claim this voucher, so you will have to tap on it, and here you are going to see the option of swipe to buy for free. So you will have to swipe and then you will have to confirm it for free. Once done, it will show you that your purchase is successful, and now in order to claim it you will have to go to the website and you will have to use this code. So on Sweatcoin sometimes you get some free offers, but sometimes you will have to spend 5 coins. For example, as you can see over here that in the agency skincare you will have to spend 5 Sweatcoin in order to avail the free trial of personalized anti-aging skincare. So if you want to do it, then again you will have to tap on swipe to the buy, and then you will have to confirm for, and then you need to tap on confirm for 5. So this is the only way to cash out on Sweatcoin. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.